Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today it's gonna be kind of a short whip and chat because I kind of don't know what to talk about. And mostly I just want to give you all an update about the channel. This wonderful canvas I'm going to be working on is called Gingerbread House. It's the Christmas in July painting I really wanted to start on, and I'll be honest, I haven't had a chance to really work on it. I've been focusing a lot on my event painting that I've been doing. I'm going to take off the I don't know why I really like the sound. I take off the little release paper, and apologies, are going to see a bright light. I'm working on a light pad. Let me see if I can lower that a bit. And there we go. So it's not so bright for y'all. There we go. Yeah, I've been working a lot on my Lucky Manekineko. Still can't say that right. And yeah, I just for the event, and mostly because I really want to finish the wonderful canvas, not just for the final prize, but for I can have, you know, completion for the month. That poor canvas, oh my goodness, I've had it. Ooh, it's been a WIP for a while as of last year, so I thought, yeah, I really do need to finish it. And lo and behold, the stars aligned, and luckily the event I signed up for, which is called Kicking with Kettner. Apologies, I think I talk about this event every time. They were cool with a WIP, so that's why I signed up for it. And I've been watching, I do watch a lot of other diamond painters, and Diamonds and Washi. They're the channel that runs, oh, apologies, they're the diamond painter that runs the event Drills and Chills. She stated that she's gonna post pretty soon update video for this year's, so I'm real excited because that's the event that I really want to start for fall. Well, for Halloween and all of that. So I'm really curious how, you know, what's gonna happen this year. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you know. I have an idea. I think, I don't know. I originally had picked a canvas for the event, but since I've been purchasing a lot of canvases, I keep changing my mind of, okay, so I'm going to do this one. And yeah, I need to sit down and actually figure out which is the one I'm going to start. It torn between one that I haven't shown to y'all yet. It's a smaller canvas, so I thought, okay, if I start with a smaller one, I can complete it pretty quickly, and I can start on a larger one, for I already have my completion for the event, and mostly because I've never tried doing 2 canvases for the same event, so I'm really curious whether I can do it. And apologies, I just automatically started painting. This wonderful color is 3865. I wasn't sure. So you probably saw when I poured it. 3065 in this canvas is just, you know, our wonderful white AB color. But I believe snow should be shiny. And so I originally have these diamonds. So diamondartclub sells diamonds, pretty much extras, so if you want to do enhancements. And I purchased these when they first came out, and I haven't really had a chance to do enhancements on the canvases. I usually don't, but I want my snow shiny. So I saw, oh, perfect, it lined out perfectly that I can use 3065 fairy dust on this wonderful canvas. I can have my shiny snow. It makes sense to me. So, oh, the other thing I really wanted to mention, and if some of y'all have seen my recent either Instagram or community post, thank you so much if you saw that. I officially have opened my Etsy store. Yay! Honestly, I've been wanting to have my own Etsy store for years. And originally I wanted to be selling, crocheted items and all of that. But, apologies. Money and all time and all of that takes an effect that I unfortunately never had the opportunity until I figured out how to create my own putty. And I have fun creating it. It is a bit of work, but I actually have fun mostly because I get to pick what kind of scents I want. So I like to experiment and figure out, oh, okay, maybe this combo will work. Sometimes it doesn't. Horrible when that happens. And sometimes I do. So that's why I was really excited that I can open my Etsy store and I'm selling my own putty. So currently I have 2 scents on my store that I originally were my first scents that I would test to see, okay, how the quality of the putty and all of that. I was able to make adjustments and all of that. So those 2 scents are technically my first ones I ever created. So, oh, and my apologies. The name of my store is Roseknit Sparkle 39. I thought of keeping the channel name, but I've been told that it's kind of confusing because it has the name knit in it, and a lot of people assume, oh, it's a knitting channel or a knitting, kind of topic, and lo and behold, they see diamond painting. So I thought, you know what, let me add something that can show it's more than, knitting, crocheting, and all of that, and sparkle popped in my head because we love our diamonds all sparkly. And I kind of liked how it sounds, so I thought, you know what, it has a channel name, so y'all know, oh, that's Rosy's store, because it's the same name popped in there. So yeah, and I will be adding apologies to the link to my store down in the description below in case you're curious to see what new items I've added up. I've actually created another scent, but I haven't had a chance to post it on the store. Stay tuned for that. It's going to post this week. I just have to finish creating labels for it because I kind of have to. Don't get me wrong, I love designing and all of that, but it took me a bit to I do everything on my phone, so it's a little bit more time consuming, let's say, on a computer, but I don't know a computer, so everything I do is through my cell phone. So when I'm, editing or adjusting or designing, yeah, it's through my phone, so it takes me a bit. And I have to send it to print and all of that. Sorry, I really focused on you've seen these. Sorry. So yeah, so I am just so excited. And I know I've been telling y'all, wonderful viewers, thank you so much for that I've been, working on my putty. So that's what I thought. Yeah, I gotta open the store. And stars aligned. For items that I needed for my putty and all of that came back in stock. So voila. I take it as a sign that was meant to be, and that's why I opened my Etsy store. It took a bit because you actually have to you have to fill in the details and all of that, but once that was done, I was so happy that I was just, and Etsy sends you an email letting you know, oh, congratulations, you have finished and you have opened a store, to kind of hype it up like, oh, I have a store now. And I'll try not to make this my poor channel all about my Etsy store. I'll just every now and then sneak in some updates, especially if, I've any new items or scents, especially. And I keep bouncing everywhere what I want to say. Sorry for that. And I apologize. I know I've been really behind responding to y'all's wonderful comments. Same thing. It does take a bit to try to respond to a comment on my phone. So yeah, sorry for that. But I do read them. And I saw somebody wonderfully gave me a comment of what kind of scents they would like with their putty. And they said that they liked floral, which gave me an idea for one, which I'm going to hopefully make that scent this week. Gave me an idea of the scent. It's a floral scent, so, and I've been tweaking it because I stated before that I get a lot of migraines if the scent is too strong, so that's why my putty, I try to make sure it's not that strong. But I don't want to really perfumey, I guess that's the word I can say. So that's why any kind of floral scent, I kind of want to make it a little, not really perfumey kind of scent. I just kind of want it to smell. You smell. Apologies. You can catch the floral smell in it, but it's not a predominant scent. So that's why it takes me a while to figure out, okay, so how much, you know, the combo and everything for the scent. So, sorry. I need to stop. I really am focusing on making sure. As you can see, this canvas has lines around, especially for the 3065. So I'm making sure they're really straight, because if not, you do see the light little black lining. So that's why I'm being a little more careful. Apologies for that. I was about to say that if there's any scents or anything that would be curious to create it as a putty, if you can leave me a comment down below, can you kind of give me inspiration for the next batches that I can do, so I can put them out. And I know, do not make more than, let's say, what's the word that they, oh, do not create so much that you have like an overstock. So that's why I'm going to try to keep either 5 or 6 cents, and anytime the scents sell out, I'll try to put a new one, just to kind of give variety. Unless I see it's a really fan favorite, then yeah, I'll keep repeating it. But yeah, I know to be careful. So I don't have so much left over. And I know, you know, everyone prefers different kind of scents. So not the same style as myself, but I want to be able to be putting out variety. If maybe there might be one that, you know, becomes your favorite. And I am trying really hard not to make autumn scents, because I was able to get the wonderful scents I picked up that I want to do for autumn, for fall, since the season's coming up, and I'm trying really hard not to make them, to already putting them out. So stay tuned for that. As soon as, I'm going to be honest, as soon as it's August and to me it's fall, I'm busting out those smells. I'm just real excited, because oh my goodness, I love fall, autumn smells that surround us once the weather's starting to cool and all of that. I'm just really excited. So yeah, that's enough of my store. If you have any questions or anything, you can put them in the comments below, or you can actually send me a message through my Etsy store. If you have any questions about the product or anything, just let me know, and I have no issues responding back. Sorry, I really want to see if I can finish this color. And I already had decided this was going to be a short video, because as I said, I didn't really have enough to say. Oh, I saw yesterday, I believe, that our subscription count is now 790. Woo! So thank you so much for that, for everybody that has subscribed. And if you're enjoying my videos and haven't subscribed, it's free. And yeah, I'm just really excited if I can hit 800. Oh my goodness, that just will make my day. I've been seeing it, you know, slowly going up, and I really do appreciate it. But I really want to hit the 800 number, because it's a nice even number, and I love even numbers. I'm odd like that. Apologies. But honestly, thank you so much for everybody who subscribed and everybody who watches the channel. I really do appreciate it. So this was all 3065. It's all of the snow. And I know when I complete this canvas, I'm going to have a lot of that color left over. Because since it's substituting to this one, I'm going to have a lot of those diamonds left over. Which is fine. My spare storage, I don't have a lot of 3065. 310 I do. But not white. So I'm really excited. I'm going to have a lot left over. And I'm going to try to work on this a little more. But I've been really, as I said, just focused on my Maneki Kaneko. I just really want to finish this one because Christmas in July. And because I can have a holiday canvas once the holiday season starts. It's so pretty. I'm going to try to really post. I'm going to try to switch it up because I'm going to try to use more of the community tab here on Facebook. Once I complete this section, I will post an updated in the community tab. You can find it under my channel because I've been asked, ooh, how does the community tab work? It's kind of like that. It's kind of like Facebook. And as well, subscribers can also post on the community, just if you want to show, you know, any projects they're working on, or just questions, or just, you know, letting us know how's your day going. You can post on the tab and we all can see and comment as well. I really like the idea of that, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to post this wonderful completion once this little area is done. I'm really happy. I'm going to get the little ornaments because I really like these. And everything I used today, I'm going to put a description below, if in case any of these items is kind of your style as well. Oh, and of course, I was using my own putty. I think I'm going to have to say that a lot over and over. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Apologies, I forgot to turn off the light, but that's what it looks like now with just the white, wonderful snow cover. Let's do emoji. Anything with Christmas. Can be, you know, ornament, Christmas tree, a snowflake, Santa. Ooh, that's a plot twist. I do like my emojis, and I'm probably going to ask almost every video. Apologies for that. But I just like them. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.